Good evening, viewers, friends, and students. Welcome to the French language class. Today's topic is a very important topic of the French grammar, article défini, definite article in French language. In today's class, I'll be discussing the article défini, definite article in French language in details, and I'll be giving you also the live examples of definite article in French grammar. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Let's start today's topic, definite article. Article défini in French language, definite article. Definite article, in today's class I'll be discussing how many definite articles are there and how to implement it. Definite article in French grammar. Listen to me carefully. The first definite article, number one, is law. L, L. L, how it is used? L is used for masculine and singular. Masculine and singular item. Okay. Before starting discussion in details, I'll be telling you one thing, that in French grammar all the words whatever you learn or will be learning in future are classified into two categories. It is either male or female, that is masculine gender or feminine gender. There is no space of neuter gender in French grammar. So first one is le, le, used for masculine gender and singular number. That is only one number, the singular. Okay. Please take down in your notebook. I am going on. This is a number one article, definite article number one. Number two. Number two is la, used for feminine gender and singular number. And singular number, feminine gender and singular number. Okay. The word which belong to the feminine genders and category and in singular number, in that case we use la, la is a definite article of French language. Now the number three. Number three is L apostrophe. L apostrophe used for both masculine and feminine. Used for both masculine and feminine gender and singular number, singular in number, starting with vowel or H mute. This is the rule. L apostrophe used for both masculine and feminine gender, singular number, and starting with vowel and H mute. That means the words which are starting with vowel. That is, you know ki in English A, E, I, O, U, the five vowels are there. In French also A, E, I, O, U. So words starting with either A or E or I or O or U. Okay. And H mute, starting with H, that is, but H is mute in pronunciation. In those cases, you have to use L apostrophe. Okay? For masculine and feminine, both masculine and feminine gender. Okay. L apostrophe is used, I am repeating once again, for the words starting with vowel and H mute. Okay? This is the third category. Please take down in your copy. I am going on one by one. And the number 4 category is LES. LES used for masculine and feminine both in plural number. That is when more than one. In that case you are using LES, lay. Okay, lay. Lay is the fourth category used for masculine and feminine gender. Words belong to masculine and feminine both, but in plural number. Okay, that is more than one. Not only one, is more than one. In that case, you are using lay, LES. Okay, so that's all for the definite article in French language. But I am repeating once again for the brush up of all the articles we have learnt in today's class. The first article number 1, rules you take down in your copy. I am just repeating the article only. That is, first one is law for masculine and feminine, masculine and singular number. Masculine and singular. Okay, this is the rule. And number 2, la, feminine, singular. And number 3, L apostrophe, masculine and feminine, singular. Starting with vowel or H mute. And number 4, lay. Lay for masculine and feminine plural. This is the rule of definite article in French grammar. Okay, that's all for the definite article. Now, please take down in your copy. Now I will be giving you some live examples of some words belong to each category. Okay. So I am giving you first the words belong to masculine and singular category. That is lo, livro. The book. English meaning is the book. Okay. Lo pupitro. The desk. Le crayon. The pencil. These are some words belong to definite article, belong to masculine category and in singular in number. But now question arises, how you will understand that these words, whenever you are learning a word, this word is masculine or feminine category. But generally in 90% cases, that is not in all cases, but exceptional cases are there, definitely in French grammar. But in 90% cases, you know, the words ending with E are in feminine category. Okay, belong to feminine category. This is ending with E. Words ending with E are feminine gender. But here you see this is an exceptional category. Lo libro I have used. Lo libro. Lo I am using, that means it is masculine word. Lo libro. Livre. Okay, it is ending with E. But the book, the meaning is the book. It is in masculine category. Lo pupitro. It is also the ending with E, but it is masculine category. Le crayon is the pencil. Okay. So in 90% cases this is the rule. That is, words ending with E are female category, but not in all cases. So in exceptional cases the word ending with E may be in feminine, masculine category. Okay. Lo stilo. Lo stilo, the pen. Okay. Lo per. Lo per, the father. These are some other words belong to masculine category. Okay. These are the words. Now I am coming to the words belong to feminine category. La chemise, the shirt, la cravat, the tie, la voiture, the car. These words are using la, that is as definite article, they are taking la, so these words belong to feminine category. La chemise, the shirt, la cravat, the tie, la voiture, the car. Whenever you will be learning or you are learning some French words, you must have to know whether it is masculine or feminine. As per gender of the word, you will be using the article, definite article, that is whether it will take lo or la. It will be decided. Okay. Some other words of feminine category I am giving you. La mère. La mère. La mère, the mother. The mother. La maison. Maison, the house. These are some other words belong to feminine category. Okay. Please take down in your copy. Now I am coming to the third category, that is L apostrophe. L apostrophe oiseau, the bird. L apostrophe oiseau, or the bird. Oiseau means bird. But you see, the word is starting with O. I have already told the word starting with vowel, A, E, I, O, U. It is the starting with O. Another word starting with A. L'avion. L'avion, the aeroplane. Aeroplane. Starting with A. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. L, E, A, U. Low. The water. The word starting with E. A, E, O. Okay. These are some words with A, E, O. I have shown you. Now I am showing you A, E, I, O, U. That is other words. That is A, E, O. I have shown. I and U I am showing you. Another word I am showing you. L apostrophe with I. L'image. L'image, the picture. English meaning. Then another word, usine. This is starting with U. Okay, the factory. All the vowels starting with vowel I have shown you one example. Say l'image is starting with I. The word starting with I. L'usine, the factory, English meaning, the starting with U. Okay, these are the words starting with vowel. Now another category is starting with H, mute. So I am showing you some examples of H mute. Say L apostrophe, H O accent circumflex, T O L, Lotel. English meaning is the hotel. So what you see in this word, that is starting with H, but it is starting, the pronunciation is starting from O. That is H is totally mute or silent. So you are pronouncing it Lotel. L'hôtel. The pronunciation is coming from O. Okay, l'hôtel. L'hôtel means hotel. H mute. This is an example of H mute. Okay. Libu. Libu is the owl. Owl. It is starting with H, but it is pronouncing from I. H is totally silent or mute. This is a Libu. H-I-B-O-U. Libu. Libu is the owl, one type of nocturnal bird. Okay. These are some examples of H mute or H silent. Okay. That's all for the L apostrophe category. Now the last category, that is the plural, masculine and feminine both, and in plural number. So in plural number, masculine and feminine both in plural. So plural number LES. Masculine and feminine both singular, so plural in LES you can use libro with S. You make it plural. Okay, put S at the end, it will be plural. The books. But some exceptional plurals are there. Say les oiseaux is exceptional plural. X. Okay, in plural it is taking X. Not S, it is taking X. The birds, English meaning. So these some words are there. So these are exceptional plurals are there. Say another word, les ibu. Ibu. There is an exceptional plural. The owls. Okay, more than one. So you are using les. But one thing also, when the single S is there, that is in pronouncing this in spoken French, les oiseaux, that you have to join this part. That is, it is pronouncing like Z. Okay, les oiseaux. Say S, single S is pronounced like Z. Okay, les oiseaux. And it is joining with the next word, vowel O, so it becomes a Z-like pronunciation, les oiseaux. Okay, les hibou, this type pronunciation. Okay. And other words which are not exceptional, then in those cases, the plural you can make with general, that is adding S, no problem. So I am showing you some other examples of general word. Say les voitures, les voitures, les voitures, the cars, plural. Okay, more than one. So you are adding S. Okay, les chemises. Les chemises. Les chemises, the shirts. Okay. These are the plurals. These are not, there is no exceptional case. But in one case, that is le journal, that is a newspaper, one newspaper, le journal. But if you, journal is newspaper, but if you make it plural, so it will be le, and it will be a Journal, it will be AUX in plural, Juno. Okay, Juno means the newspapers. These are also exceptional words. Yes, these type of some exceptional words are there in French grammar. They are taking X at the end for the plural. Okay, that's all for today's class. Definite article. This article défini is a very important topic of the French grammar. You brush up your lesson. I'll be coming with the next video lesson with the next grammatical topic of the French language. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.